Well, hello. Welcome to my channel. Today I felt like coming and talking to you guys in this video. I usually don't talk in my videos. I just like presenting what I want to teach, but today I felt like I should talk to you guys. So here I present you the ingredients that I'm using for this face mask. You can pause this video and read the benefits of this face mask, like turmeric, honey, amla, aztec clay have great benefits like treat acne, brighten skin, reduces fine lines, skin brightening, heal wounds. And I also have apple cider vinegar, which is a great exfoliant, also balancing skin's pH. Tea tree oil is also great for banishing acne, moisturized dry skin. I have a blog where you can read more detail about these ingredients and I explain more and better. So let's Okay, so now let's talk about how to prep skin before applying your face mask. This step is very crucial if you want the full benefit of each ingredient in your face mask. You need to follow these steps, and that is how you will achieve the full benefit of your mask. So the first step will be to double cleanse. So first, what is double cleansing for those who don't know? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. You wash your face thoroughly with two different cleansers. The only thing is that the cleansers need to be different types in order to achieve the desired effect. For the best result, I first use an oil-based cleanser and then I follow up with a water-based cleanser. So your next step will be to exfoliate. After you double cleanse, you will exfoliate your skin. So why? Exfoliating the skin smooths the skin's surface by removing off dry, flaky cells, which helps out skin's texture and minimizes the appearance of discoloration. It removes the dead skin cells and the dry skin that's on top, and that helps the face mask get into your pores easily. So after you're done exfoliating and double cleansing, it's time to apply your face mask. And the way I like to apply my face mask is when my face is dry. I pat it dry, make sure I've mixed my mask, and I apply it thoroughly. I usually use my fingers. I like using my fingers. I feel like I have more control. So I just apply it evenly on my face. And yeah. So I hope you guys found some value in this video. Bear with me. I'm still learning how to edit. And for my next video, I'll try to bring better audio and visuals. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!